In today's tutorial, we'll explore the Odoo Multi Pricelist on order and see how it works. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. This is our Odoo backend. In the Apps section, make sure the Multi Pricelist on Order app is installed and activated. After that, we'll create a new price list. Navigate to Sales, then Products, and select Price Lists. As you can see, we already have two price lists, Wholesale Price List and VIP Price List. Now let's create a new price list by clicking the New button. Enter a name for the price list, then click Add a Line to add a product. Select the product, then enter its fixed price. Then click the Save and Close button. To add another product, click Add a Line again, select the product, enter its fixed price, and then click Save and Close. This is how you can add multiple products to the same price list. Now click the Save button to save the price list. Next, navigate to Sales, then Quotations. To create a new quotation, click the New button and select a customer. After that, click Add a Product, choose the desired product, and then click the Confirm button. This is how I added two more products. Now click the Save button. As you can see, we have assigned a price list to this quotation independently. Now let's change the price list by clicking the Change Price List button. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the current price list, change price list, and the current price. Let's change the price list from Wholesale Price List to VIP Price List. As you can see, the current price is $110 and the new price is $120. The $10 increase is highlighted in green, making it easy to identify the price difference. When we click the Apply Price List button, the selected price list is applied instantly. As you can see, there is no page reload or refresh, yet both the price and the price list are updated successfully. You can also see that the new price list is applied only to this quotation line and does not affect any other products in the quotation. Now, let's change the price list for the customizable desk. Click the Change Price List button and the Change Price List pop-up window will appear. Now, let's change the price list to the Public Price List. As you can see, the current price is $650 and the new price is $750, showing an increase of $100. Click the Apply Price List button. As you can see, the new price is applied instantly without reloading or refreshing the page. The change affects only this quotation line and does not impact any other quotation lines. As you can see, this quotation has not been sent yet and is still in the quotation stage. Now, let's send this quotation to the customer. I'll select the recipient and click Send. Even after the quotation has been sent, our module still allows you to change the price list for individual quotation lines. Let's change the price list for this product to see how it works. Now, let's change the price list to the Public Price List. As before, you can see the price increase. Click the Apply Price List button, and the change is applied instantly without affecting any other quotation lines. Next, let's change the price list for this product to the Wholesale Price List. As you can see, the current price is $750 and the new price is $650, showing a decrease of $100, which is highlighted to easily compare. Click the Apply Price List button. As you can see, the change is applied only to the selected quotation line and does not affect any other products. We also have another feature using the price list option at the quotation level. If you select the VIP price list and click Update Prices, the selected price list will be applied to the entire quotation, updating the prices for all quotation lines at once. Now, click the Update Prices button and then click OK. As you can see, the VIP price list has been applied to the entire quotation, updating the prices for all quotation lines at once. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.